Hello, it's your boy. And today, peanut butter wraps. You know them. Here's how I do it. Slap that on. When you can't really think of much at the house, it definitely will do the trick. It definitely will. You can put as much peanut butter on as you want. You can toast it. You can fry it. You can do whatever. But just, I'm going to do something different. So basically, got a layer. I'm actually going to add a little more peanut butter because you can't get enough peanut butter. It is a thick wrap. And do the same thing. This might require another wrap. You'd look at me and be like, well, why? Why not? Just add a little more. This is basically like McDonald's Big Mac, but peanut butter way. Lay that. A little more thickness. And just to seal it up. Voila! You have yourself a double wrap peanut butter sandwich. Well, you know what I mean. Hope you enjoyed this. Stay true, be you, eat.